Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my first Boxycharm unboxing. I have gotten a giant request to do this style video with this particular box, so I thought that this month I would definitely sit down and do that for you guys. So we will go over everything in the box and I will try on and try to do a demo the best I can of almost all, if not all, the items in the box. If I look a little bit crazy to you right now, I kind of have half done my brows because I know for a fact there is a brow product in this box. So I just wanted to do an outline quick. I have a full base of makeup on, but again, I tried to leave off what I knew was in the box so that I could try it out for you guys. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload videos 3 times a week or more, anything from product reviews to tutorials. Sometimes I do some silly vlogs, so I've got a wide variety of options for you. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up before you go, and be sure to hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my awesome, exciting content. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is the box. You guys have seen this plenty of times before. I did break the seal on this, but I do not know what variation I got. So let's go ahead and open her up. This is what the box looks like. So right off the bat, looking at it, the first thing I see is this card right here, and it looks like they have kind of stepped their game up with their packaging or their info card or whatever. So we open it up. This month's box theme is eye candy, and then you've got all the products that are inside the box. So I don't want to look at this too much because the products are in there. We will go over it. I did recently find out that there's a little number on the bottom of your card here that will actually tell you what variation of the box you got, and it looks like I got variation number 5. So the first thing I want to dip into here and talk about is the Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It says it's a pore purifying mask. This retails for $47. It is 1 fluid ounce. And basically it just says it will unclog your pores, tighten the look of pores, and reduce excess oil from the skin's surface. So I tend to have pretty dry skin. I don't know how much I would actually end up using this type of item, although I do have problem pores. So I will try this out. Obviously I'm not gonna demo this right now. Let's just go ahead and open it up, see if it has a scent. Oh. Oh, dear God. It smells like sulfur. What is in this? Oh, I can't. Why do I keep smelling it? That does not smell good. Wow. Maybe I'll have to do a separate video on that one. All right, the next item is the Brow Gal. This is Instant Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. Okay, so when you first sign up for Boxycharm, they have you take a little survey to like ask you about like your skin type, what type of products you're interested in, what color eyes do you have, what color hair do you have, and I'm assuming they try their best to send you items that best match your hair and skin tone. This is for light hair. Do I have light hair, you guys? My brows are almost freaking black. So I don't know if this is going to work for me or not, but hey, let's go ahead and try it out. So here's what the little spoolie looks like. You guys bear with me. Like I said, I have a new camera. I don't know how good I am with getting things in focus right now, and I'm trying so hard not to look in the viewfinder. So bear with me, but let's just go ahead and brush this in, and it probably won't even do anything because this is for light hair. I mean, it looks like, it's doing something, but obviously since I have dark brows, this isn't gonna really cut it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll have to find someone. Sarah, maybe I'll send it to you. She has Boxycharm too. Sarah, if you're watching this and you get the dark brow, let's swap. Next item in the box is these 2 makeup brushes. These look adorable. These are by Miss Glam. This is a brush duo, retails for $38.50. I don't know, what kind of brushes are these? So one looks like stick, like a big fluffy crease brush. It's a little stiff though, but look at how cute that is. You guys got like these little gems on there. That might blend. We'll have to try that out obviously with the palette that's in here. And then it looks like you also get this flat shader brush. This one's super cute because it has the bigger gems on it. You can never have too many brushes, and I like how thick these handles are. Oh, these are so cute. And then let's go ahead and dive into what everyone wants to know is the eyeshadow palette. So everybody this month got a ColourPop palette in their box. I got the palette I wanted. I am so happy about that. I wanted the Element of Surprise palette. You guys know if you've watched any of my other videos that I love, love, love. literally love. I have an obsession with ColourPop palettes. I've had the Yes Please palette, the I Think I Love You palette, the My Little Pony palette, Give It To Me Straight palette, and the Innuendo highlighter palette. I did always want this one, but for some reason I just never bit the bullet and bought it. Yeah, so I'm really excited about getting this one. I'm so happy that I didn't get the Golden State of Mind palette. I did a review on that one and that palette sucked. So I'm glad that I got this one. So let's just go ahead and dip into it and let's create an eye look here. So as you can see, I have bare eyes. The only thing I have done is primed them up with some Patrice Liquid Camouflage concealer and some powder. Let's just go ahead. I'm going to start off with this shade over here, which is Labyrinth, I think. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the crease brush. Okay. It's coming off a lot more pigmented than I thought it would. All right then, and I'm going in with a very light hand. This is actually coming out like a little bit more pinky than neutral. All right then. You guys want to know something funny while I'm doing this? I woke up super early this morning and got into one of those YouTube click hole situations where I couldn't sleep and couldn't fall back asleep, I should say. And I was just laying in bed and YouTube will make suggestions, obviously, to you for videos. And for some reason, Danielle Bergoli, the Cash Me Outside girl.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Her music video popped up. I don't know how new it is or what, but it's called like Gucci Flip Flops. And I'm like, what the hell? And it was like a collaboration or something with Lil Yachty. I don't even know who the hell that is. I clicked on it and I listened to it and I'm like, oh my God, like this girl is like a legitimate rapper now, I guess. Like that's her calling now. I'm gonna deepen up the outer corners. I'm gonna go into like this kind of maroony shade here and I'm gonna use this same brush. So yeah, I guess she's like a rapper now or something. I don't know, but it led me on a click hole of like, okay, well, I want to know how much this chick is worth now. Like, what's her net worth? You guys, no joke, she's worth 1.2 million freaking dollars. Like, you've got to be kidding me. I could not believe it. I was like, what? Apparently she's like signed, I think she's like with Atlantic Records or something. And I just literally just started listening to like all her songs and they have millions of views. Like, she has a following, and if you read the comments, there are like a shit ton of people who legitimately like love her. They like her. They're like, oh my God, this song is banging, it's fire, it's lit, all those catchphrases that I'm too old to use anymore. You guys, when you get to that age where you're like too old, it feels really weird. Anyways, all right, so that was just, yeah, something random. I don't know what color to do next, but I am so far loving this like bright pink look. It is a freaking blizzard outside, you guys. We are expecting 10 inches of snow between like now and Sunday. And I'm just like, why? Why? It is the middle of April. Yes, where I live, it normally snows, but come on. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put this bright ass pink shade all over my lid and I'm gonna use the shadow brush. Holy smokes, that is bright as hell. I'm gonna sweep this all over my lid. I don't know if it'll work with this type of brush. Never mind. It totally does. Oh my God, I'm feeling this. I'm totally into some bright colors right now because like I said, we need spring so bad. Eyeshadow right now is really my only way to get it. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like that lavender purple color and I'm gonna run that all over lower lash line. You guys know that when I demo eyeshadows and do looks and stuff, I try to use as many colors as I can. So far we've used this color here, and now we're on to that color. Bring it all the way up into the crease because I have really hooded eyes. This might look like a tragedy to some people, but whatever. It's bright. It's a try-on style video. Go ahead and try to deepen up the outer corners a little bit more. I'm going to go into this darker purple shade right here and just dabbing that out here. There we go. Just to deepen it up. You guys might think this eye look is god-awful ugly. Roast me in the comments down below if you think it sucks. I'm just having fun with it. All right, let's go ahead and move on. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into my color switch, clean off my brush here. If you guys haven't gotten one of these, it is a godsend. All right, let's go ahead and get this lavender, like this super metallic lavender shade on this brush, and I'm going to drag this all over the lower lash line. Oh, that is so pretty. You guys, this palette is amazing. I cannot believe that this is in the box. Pick it up a notch. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. There we go. And then to highlight in the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to use this shade up here. And you guys, I have to say, to wrap this up, I am really liking these brushes actually. And I'm loving these shadows. They're super fun. So there you have it, a quick demo eye look with the Element of Surprise palette. This is something that's totally out of what I would normally do. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly soften these edges quickly because I don't want it to look too harsh. Perfect. Last but not least, in the box, I got this Lip Tensity lipstick from MAC. I have mine in the shade Burnt Violet. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, so the Element of Surprise palette retails for $16, and then it looks like the Lip Tensity lipsticks retail for $21. So you got one of 3 shades. Curious to hear what you guys all got. There was a neutral option, but I'm kind of glad I didn't get that, you guys. I have so many neutral lipsticks. Oh, look at that color. I'm doing it, you guys. I don't have a color like this in my collection, and I don't have a lip liner that would go with this, so we're going in. The color payoff is real. That is pigmented. Dear God, this could be a mess because I suck at applying lipstick. Oh my God, you guys, I'm sorry, that application is shit. It's a little bit patchy, but not bad. Deep plum purple shades like this are kind of hard to achieve, but this is a beautiful formula. It smells like vanilla. I am super impressed, you guys. This month's box, I have to say it, Boxycharm, you did the damn thing. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so here is the completed look. I do have to say, I love this. Like, I am surprised at how much I love this look. First off, let's go ahead and recap the Element of Surprise palette. Yes, yes, so much yes. I will be reaching for this probably all summer. The shades in here are just stunning. They blended like none other. Of course, what else do you expect from these ColourPop palettes? They're fantastic. I loved these brushes, actually. They made my shadow go on so effortlessly and they blended beautifully. I mean, I got the job done with these 2 brushes. Fantastic. And they're so freaking cute. They're so cute. And you guys, they actually match my palette. How adorable is that? The MAC Lip Tensity lipstick in the shade Burnt Violet, you guys, I'm surprised, but I love this shade. I think this is badass. It's vampy. I cannot wait to really put this into use in the fall, but oh, it is stunning and the formula is comfortable. It feels so good on the lips and it smells amazing. This guy right here, I don't know about because it smells like pure death. Like someone somehow bottled up and tubed up like the smelliest egg fart of all time. I'm not gonna lie to you. The smell is atrocious. Maybe it does wonders. It's supposed to give you a cooling sensation and leave on to 5 to 10 minutes, but dear God, I don't know. It says this is designed for oily combination skin. I might give this away and not use it at all because I have skin that is drier than the Sahara Desert, so I don't know about that. And then last but not least, the Brow Gal, the Insta-Tint Tinted Brow Gel or whatever. I really wish that this would have been in my color because I can tell that it probably would have been a really good brow tint, so I'm super bummed about that. But overall, you guys, this is one of the best subscription box like items I've gotten in a long time. They don't tell you what's the total value here. Let me see. I don't know, but it's well over $100 and it was definitely worth it this month for the items that you got in the box. Typically, you guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't usually feel like, oh great, I'm rubbing lipstick all over myself. Great. Typically, I don't feel like subscription boxes are really worth what they say, but this box in particular, with these items in it, is by far one of the best Boxycharm boxes I've ever gotten. So thumbs up, Boxycharm. Keep items like this coming because for someone like me, these are the types of items that I really would love to add to my collection. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about the items. What did you get in your box? What did you love the most? Let me know about the variations and what your favorite product was. Again, be sure to subscribe before you go. I love you guys so much and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!